guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest Louis Vuitton bag collection. I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know. Yes, from names, prices, product codes, SKU, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptops to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so we are going to discuss everything from the Fall-Winter 2025 Women's Runway Collection that will be launching August 1st. First, we have this new bag, Catchy PM. I love actually the design of this one, as you can see. Price of this one is 1,750 euro or 2,170 USD. Made of monogram canvas. I love the detachable chain strap and leather strap that it comes with. This one guys, the return of the boat chapeau, size PM. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but price of this one is 9,000 euro or 10,500 USD. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, leather top handle, detachable leather strap. It would come with gold hardware, and it has trunk style or trunk detailing on the entirety of the bag. Next on the collection guys, we have the dust bag tote. So price of this one is 3,600 USD. Guys, I'm not really sure about this bag. If you really love this bag, then go ahead, but me, I would not be recommending this bag because this definitely looks like a Louis Vuitton dust bag. So I'm guessing guys that this is still made of soft leather, but I'm not really sure. I'm not really liking that design. Next, we have the lantern bag. Price of this one is 5,200 euro. I could remember this on the runway. So again, with the quirky Louis Vuitton bag, this looks actually really cute, and I believe with the size of this one, you could put stuff inside and definitely use it on, you know, like fashion show or evening events. Then next on the collection, so we have the Boat Uku with Uku in monogram. So I'm guessing this is for your musical instrument, but guys, the price of this one is OMG 30,000 euro. Super expensive. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap, gold hardware, and it comes with trunk detailing. Next on the collection, we have the Capucines Mini. So this one guys would be launching August 7, 2025. Price of this one is 7,000 euro. So the material of this one is velvet with cowhide leather trims, as we can see here close up. Then it would come with the embroidery detail, just like with the flowers, with the leaves. Then of course it would come with gold hardware. Next, we have a new design. This one I really love. So we have the Petite Malle blade. So just look at the shape of this one. So price of this one is 7,500 euro. We have SKU here. Material is epi leather with cowhide leather trims. Of course, I love the metallic silver finish, and I love the new aesthetic of the Petite Malle. Very fresh and very contemporary. Then guys, we have the Petite Malle NV2. Price of this one is 8,000 euro from the Women's Runway show. So this one, material is black and white leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap, and of course it comes with silver hardware. So what do you think of this Petite Malle? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Then guys, this is a super cute design. So we have the Duo BB monogram. Price of this one is 2,600 euro from the women's collection. So monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is a 2-bag design. It comes with belt bag and shoulder bag, detachable leather strap, and it comes with gold hardware. So it's a 2 bags in 1, which I really love. Next guys, so if you don't love the double, then we have the solo in monogram. So price this one is 1,500 euro. So I'm guessing that this one is much smaller compared to the duo monogram bag. So as you can see, it comes with the monogram belt bag, then it comes with detachable leather strap that you could adjust. Next on the collection, so we have the Nano Speedy Tresor. So I'm guessing that it would be almost the same size as the Nano Speedy, but it comes with the trunk details. Just look at the price guys, 15,000 euros. So this is a runway piece. Material is leather and it comes with embellished with stones. It comes with trunk style Nano Speedy, detachable leather strap with silver hardware. Next on the collection, we have the Biker MM. So this one priced at 3,900 euro. Material is leather. It would come with detachable leather strap and it comes with gold hardware. Have you seen this guys in person? So honestly, I haven't seen this one. It's been a while since I visited our Louis Vuitton store here, but I'm kind of curious in looking at this design. So another biker size MM. Price of this one is 3,900 euro. We have SKU here. So the material is leather and the colorway is khaki. So zooming in, this is the texture of the leather. So the texture, I'm not really sure, but of course it comes with black leather trims. I love of course the very minimal Louis Vuitton logo. So next on the collection, we have the Speedy Tresor 25. This is so gorgeous. So just look at this one. Price is quite affordable compared to the other trunk bags that they have. So price of this one is 3,300 euro. We have SKU here. Material is leather with embossed monogram logo. It would come with detachable leather strap, gold hardware, and of course it comes with trunk details. Next on the collection, so another beautiful petite malle blade. Price of this one super expensive at 7,500 euro. We have SKU here. Close up, material is epi leather like in a metallic rose colorway. It would come with cowhide leather trims. Color is rouge. Detachable leather strap, gold hardware with trunk detailing of course. It would also be chic carrying as a clutch bag. Another new bag, so we have the Odyssey MM. Price of this one is 3,250 euro. We have SKU here. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap and it comes with gold hardware. I love of course the utilitarian feel of the bag. I love the pockets on the sides. And then we have another beautiful bag at the side trunk size MM. Price of this one is 3,700 euro. We have SKU here. Material is leather with embossed monogram detail. It would come of course with detachable leather strap, detachable crossbody strap. It would come with gold hardware. Launching August 7, 2025. Next on the collection, another beautiful Speedy Tresor 25. Price is 2,900 euro. This one guys I really love. So it comes with 2 monogram as I could see. So classic monogram canvas, and on the side it comes with the reverse monogram detailing. Of course it would come with detachable leather strap and it would come with the trunk details just like with the studs and of course the metal on the sides of the Speedy. Then this one is a runway piece, so we have the Express MM. Price of this one is 3,800 euro, made of soft or calfskin leather. So I love of course the very minimal Louis Vuitton logo. So the monogram, as we could see here, it comes with monogram canvas detailing as we could see here. Then it would come in smaller size, express size PM. Price of this one is 3,500 euro. So from the fine calfskin leather with monogram canvas trim, it would come with detachable leather strap and it would come with gold hardware. As you can see, so how do you feel about the Express PM, guys? Kindly comment down below. Next on the collection, so we have another Express PM. Price of this one is 3,500 euros. So the colorway of this one is like an olive colorway. So as you can see, the size and the design of the bag slouches at the middle, and it comes with very minimal logo. Then of course it would come with monogram canvas trim, so detachable top handle, and it would come with crossbody strap. Next, guys, we have Express size MM. Price of this one is 3,800 euro. So zooming in, so this is the material, how it looks like. So the main body, of course, is calfskin leather. Then it comes with the monogram canvas trim. So the top handle is fully detachable, but you could also wear this one as a long shoulder bag. Then, guys, another not part of the collection, but we have new bag here, off-duty backpack. Price of this one is 3,200 euro. Calfskin leather with monogram canvas trims, as we can see here. So the top handle is made of monogram canvas, and it has a drawstring for closure. Then it come with silver chain, so the silver chain you could carry as a backpack and as a shoulder bag as well. So we have another one, off-duty Vibe size MM. Price of this one is 3,400 euros. So this is the interior. So with the two, guys, I'm actually liking this one better compared to the backpack design. So as I could see, it comes with the magnetic lock closure. Did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the bag selection that I have showcased for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!